let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you to mess with me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Times I read into this is hurting. Trying to make sense of little change to me a war in my mind. Let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe in good day.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Indipilana Msabo, also known as Indiana N. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Welcome if you are new, and thank you for joining us in this channel. So I am vlogging, starting a new vlog, and I'm busy trying to export my new vlog that I'm going to upload. And it's a struggle. It's a struggle trying to edit and all that. It's a struggle, but I'm trying my best. And thank you so much for joining me if it's your first time, and I really appreciate your support. Okay, I'm starting off this vlog, and this is how we'll see what we're doing in this vlog. I don't know, but I think I'm opening this vlog with a cooking. I am making oxtail stew and pap and cabbage. I hope you'll enjoy that video. And I finally found my mic. If you remember, I did say I lost my previous mic, but thank God that my sister-in-law bought me a tripod that has a mic, so I was using that, and now I found my mic and I'm testing it out if it's good or what, and I'm using it. As you can see, it's yeah. So I'm using that mic now, and yeah guys, I'm going to make my bed. It's very hard to wake up, to get off bed if busy kwazi till be afternoon. But yeah guys, let's make the bed and go and cook. And also I'll be washing some dishes, so I don't think I'm going to take you with that, but show you some snippet here and there.
I just need you here with me. Why did you have to leave? You have to leave. Hey babe, pendula, uthi ndenze njani? shit when you hurting, babe. You say things you don't mean. Uyala kimi. Yakolisa, yakolisa.
Yeah.
Uhola, ubuthongo bundifikele isithandwa sam. Nhliziyo yam ihambe nawe, hambe nawe. Phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi. Hey babe, phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi, andisakwazi. Phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi. Hey babe, phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi, andisakwazi. Uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi. Hey babe, phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi, andisakwazi. Themba lam, I just need you here with me. Ngifihla inyembezi ngifuna ukulila. Why did you have to leave? You have to leave. Uhola, ubuthongo bundifikele isithandwa sam. Nhliziyo yam ihambe nawe, hambe nawe. Phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi. Hey babe, phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi, andisakwazi. I know I said it's fine, nathi hamba ungishi when you hurting, babe. You say things you don't mean. Uyala kimi, yakolisa, yakolisa. Uhola, ubuthongo bundifikele isithandwa sam. Nhliziyo yam ihambe nawe, hambe nawe. Phendula, uthi ndenze njani? Mawungekho eduze kwami, langalawo mandisakwazi.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. This is a vlog, as you can see by the title. I just woke up and I am about to go and make breakfast and get ready to go to town and meet my mom. I want to look pretty today. When last did I look pretty? And my hair is old. It's not even getting old, it's old, Sandra. And I need to think of redoing my hair, unbraiding my hair and redoing it again. So that's basically what I'm going to do today, and the weather is confusing me, but it's still early, so I'll check the weather cast by 18. So that's basically what I'm doing today. And yeah, oh, I'm so grateful that I found this mic, because I feel like the sound is just fine. It's just smooth and good for me. I don't know for you guys. You comment down below if you like this mic or you prefer how you prefer the mic that I was using, which is the mic for this tripod. But I think I like this one, like for me as a viewer, when I'm listening to my voice, to my recordings. Yeah, and so my sister-in-law bought me this tripod, right? And also this mic was bought by her. She gave it to me. She gave it to me as a gift, and also this tripod, she gave it to me as a gift. I highly appreciate that woman. She's very supportive. I'm so grateful to have her in my life. Thank you so much, Sis Loxy. I really, really, really appreciate you. Okay, so yeah. Another thing I wanted to talk about or have a chat about here is the fact that I don't know I don't know where to start this, but whenever I'm watching I like watching there's old Thandi Gama and also her sister Kristen Gama. Like, I love their sisterhood. There are a lot of people that I follow, and like I genuinely love their sisterhood relationship with their sisters. Okay, basically their relationship with their sisters. Like, I love. I wish I had that with my sisters, but unfortunately I don't. But I once had a relationship with my sister, my younger sister from my mother's side. When we were young, we were very close, and we were more like twins. We enjoyed doing things together. We enjoyed wearing same clothes. So we were sort of twins that are man-made. if that's if you get what I mean. Yeah. So now that we are old, I don't have that relationship with my sister, and I wish I had, because I am more of a sisterhood person. Like, I love a good relationship with my sisters. I try to create it. I am creating it, and I think they love me, but I think we love each other. Let me just put it that way. We love each other, but we are different, I guess. Let me not say I guess, because definitely we are different. We like different things now that we are matured, and I so wish I had a good relationship with my sisters. Like, for real, I'd love to go out with my sisters. I'd love to do a lot of things with my sisters, even though I do have friends and also they have friends. Like, have some time together as sisters, and yeah. But with my older sister from my mother's side, we had never, like, we didn't grow up together. She lived with her father, and we were raised by our mother Tina. So yeah, So and I don't have that sisterhood with her, and I hate it so much. I really wish that one day my prayers would be answered and have that really good relationship with my sisters. Know that if I need something, I have someone to say, hey sis, I need you and this and this. Especially with my older sister, because at least with my younger sister I can just be like, yes, I need you on this and that, and then she would pitch up. But with my older sister, we are not that close. I think it's because of the fact that we didn't grow up together, so we don't understand each other. Sorry, we don't. I don't know, but like, as I wish. As I wish I had a good relationship with them. I love them so much. I love them. I'll die for them. I love them so much. But it's just that we are not the same, I guess. We like, my younger sister is a friendship type of person. Like, she loves friends. She likes to make time for her friends rather than family. I don't know what kind of a person is that. I don't know what happened to her, but I'm not saying friendship are bad, but like, I feel like you should, sorry sis if I am I'm sorry, but like, I feel like she is more of a friendship person. She would rather do anything with her friends and rather than family, which is not good, because life is too short, child. Life is too short. So I would really love for them to understand the importance of family time. Yeah, I would really love to have a bond with them, a very good bond, and understand who they are, and especially my older sister. I really would like to know her more, but it's just a long story, and it just hurt me so much when I think of it. And I hope and pray to God that my prayers would be answered one day. But yeah, guys, enough of me ranting or venting. Yeah, let me continue watching YouTube. Mostly I'm triggered by watching these vloggers, these YouTubers, who content creators who have a good bond with their sisters. Like, I feel like, oh my god, I wish my relationship with my sisters would be like that. But yeah, that's that. There's nothing I can do about, because I honestly do try to make a good relationship with them, but I think we are not the same. We are not the same. But yeah, guys. So guys, I am about to make breakfast and I am craving cornflakes. And I'm still thinking of the tip that my husband gave me. Uti, I should have a cereal with fruit instead of sugar, just to cut down the amount of sugar that I'm having. So yesterday he bought me these apples so that I can add on my cereal. But I don't like the idea, man, of putting fruit cereal. But I'll try it, because I really do want to lose weight. I do want to lose weight, and I like clapping my hands, and the only way to lose weight is to cut that down the sugar. Like, check your diet, check your like, the important part on losing weight is food, is the type of food that you eat, basically. So I need to take note of that. It's gonna be a struggle, but part of my problem is I don't like cold cereal, so it's gonna be a struggle if I have to add fruit on it, or it doesn't matter. Like, I don't know, but I feel like maybe it's my mindset, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to have complex. I don't like the back camera because I can't see myself. I love seeing myself, so even though the quality is good at the back camera, but I don't like not seeing myself. So yeah, let me do a front camera for now. Let me wash my hands because I've been scratching my head so much. Before I make breakfast, I must wash my hands and make that. Guys, wish me luck because I warmed my milk, so I don't know how this is going to taste. And okay, it's not as sweet as I want it to be. But it tastes nice even though my milk is warm. So yeah, I'll eat it. It tastes nice, but I don't like chewing, so that's my problem with I don't like fruit because I hate chewing, especially apple. I don't like because I hate chewing. I hate chewing for too long, like but yeah, even my husband love rasks me. He loves those things and I hate them because I don't hate them, I like them, but it's not something in the like crave for it because I hate chewing. I hate having to bite. So it's actually nice. Okay guys, I'm trying to get ready. I've just bathed and shaped my eyebrows, and I'm going to do my mini makeup, just foundation and yeah. Where's my mirror? Ikuka mirror. Mama ke sana undilindile ngoba ngisenzana ne makeup. But I vowed to myself, so I need to
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't.
When last did I do my makeup? Even my products are running out. Sana. And I need to perfect makeup because I want to be a makeup artist. Okay guys, I am done dressing up and also doing my makeup. So I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. I'll check for a mirror and then I'll show you what I'm wearing, but it's basically this shirt and some jeans and kitten heels. Yeah, and yes, like camera by inch, but this is how I look. I'm wearing these jeans from Mr. Price and the heels from Legit, and this shirt is also from Mr. Price, and this is also from Truett's. Yes. So that's basically. Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. Where should I put this movie? Okay, welcome back to this vlog. Today it's a Thursday, and the time is 05. So I'm basically going to prepare dinner for me and my husband because we are home alone. The parents is here. So I'm basically going to make something for us because we don't want to spend money. We don't want to spend too much money, so rather make some small meal so that we can eat. We can be full and eat. Yeah. So I've decided to just prepare it now because Yena, I think, but I asked him to come back home early today because I miss him. I miss my husband, child, because he works like 7 days a week. Like kana day at Pumla end. He comes back home late, like around 7, and he's tired, and then goes to sleep and all that. But we do have time together, like short talks like before we sleep. But like I want us to watch some movie today. Like I want us to cuddle because Gabanda today, like it's 12 degrees. Last time I checked it was 12 degrees. So yeah, and it's very cold and it's okay. I was sleeping, right? I was like I was not even sleeping, but I was just watching YouTube. So I decided to just wake up and make something for us. So I'm making a fish like a star, and then we'll have it with bread and boiled eggs. So yeah, so let's do that together. But boiled eggs, I'll make them when my husband is on his way home. and then yeah, I'll be basically making a fish nguku. Yeah, let's do it.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
So I'll add a carrot. So this is frozen carrot. We've decided to prep every veggies in these zip seal plastics, so that whenever umuntu epheka angasokoli to chop and peel. Who's going to cook does not get stressed of chopping and all that. So we decided to just prepare every veggies and put them in plastic bag. Yeah, so basically that's me ongazusokola, because I'm the one cooking, because I'm the makoti, so I have to let's start cooking, by the way. Yeah. I'm struggling to vlog because if I'm Pilates is spacey. So I've already fried some onions and what's this, carrot. So I'm going to open these. We don't have an open tin open, I guess, so I'll use a knife to do so.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind.
So guys, I'm trying to remove the bones officially. I don't know if Nina Niazitana, but I don't like so that's why I remove them. And also because of me and the hate, I have to use my front camera so I can be aware due to space. So I was saying I am removing bones officially like a star, because I don't want them. So and then I noticed because if only I'm and hater so much, so I have to say bye, guys. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my vlog. I am vlogging and today I'm going to do my nails because I've been through it, so I've decided to do my nails today, even though my husband said I should do my hair because wow, it's going through the most. But I've decided to just first do my nails, and not only because I decided so, but my hairstylist is unavailable, so then to keep the money and wait for my hairstylist to be available, I've decided to use my hair money for my nails, and then I will replace the money for my hair nails, if you get me. So yeah, so today we are doing our nails. nails. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do my toes and also my nails, but financially I've been struggling. But my husband came through for the girl. So today I'm going to do my nails and also buy some fiber for my hair and my hair. Guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog. I love you so much. Oh, there's this pimple and I don't want to touch it. It's so annoying. My face was getting better, but now I'm seeing this pimple and also this one. It's still not there, but I hate them, but I won't touch them. I won't pop them up. See, because I don't want any dark spots anymore. So this is my OOTD. I look so pretty. Never mind the mess, but I look so pretty. Oh my god. I'm going to take a mirror in there. But this is how I look. I'm wearing this t-shirt that I wore the other day. This shirt, not a t-shirt, this shirt that I wore the other day with some jeans. But today I am wearing a dress, black dress, and put on some belt. And then this scarf. How can I show you? And I'm wearing this scarf here. So with these heels that I wore also the other day, and I look so pretty. And that's one the journey. Okay, let me do it like this. I'll stand here and you will see me properly, but I don't know which. Okay, let's see. This is how I look. Yeah, no one really enjoys them. That's me.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the other years, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga. I'd be fine without you.
Hi loves. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Indiana, and also known as Indi Planum Sobo / Mrs. D, if you wanna call me that way. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you my nails. I recently did my nails this weekend. I did them on Friday and Saturday. I did my manicure on Monday I did my manicure on Friday, and then I did my pedicure on Saturday because Friday I went there late, so it was quite late for my toes. So so these are my toes. I'll show you. I'll insert a video where I'm showing my manicure and my pedicure, or you'll see my short video if you haven't seen it. I don't know if I edit now. So I want to do more of shorts, reels for Instagram and also TikTok videos. I want to be out there, like on all platforms, to be active in all platforms, because I want to grow my brand. So yeah guys, that's basically that. I was doing a little self-care. Self-care is very important, guys. Don't forget to do your, if you like doing your nails, do your nails, do your hair, your skin routine, and just do some self-care, whatever you love doing, to whatever you call self-care, you can do that. So yeah guys, and your girl has been going through the most, to an extent that I was so angry that I don't know, like, life guys, life is something else. When I think about it, you know, when you're at a point that you don't know how you feel anymore, like you don't know how to act on something, you don't know how to be, like, people can drain your energy and drain the person that you are and change who you are. Because once you stay kind and in English, and be respectful, people will take advantage of that, and people, yes, will take advantage of that, and you'll be their step ladder. Like, I can't believe it's just something that I can't talk about, or I don't want to share on my platforms, because I don't want to bring bad energy or bring negative energy on my channel. So I'd rather just keep it that way and move on, child, move on. So yeah, that's that, and I'll be okay, and I'll definitely be okay. Hopefully I won't lose myself, because the more you get angry on something, is the more that you start to lose the person that you are. You start to grow that anger more, and you know, but it's okay guys. I am here, I'm okay. So yeah, I haven't done my nails. I haven't done my hair, by the way, so I am probably going to do it this coming week, because my hairstylist is going to be available. She was busy, so yeah, I'm hoping that she'll make time to be available for me. Yeah, that's that guys. I hope you're enjoying my videos, and yeah, bye guys. Take care of yourselves, love yourself, be yourself. Don't be scared to be yourself. Don't be scared. Push, and also know your worth. You understand? So yeah guys, much love, bye. Okay, hello guys, morning. It's a beautiful morning. I hope you're doing good, and I hope everything is going well. And if it's not, trust the process. Keep on praying. Everything will be okay, and God is there to listen to whatever pain that you're going on. Just remember that he loves you and he's there for you. He will forever be there for you. Don't leave him, because yena zange wakushiya. So I just wanted to say that, guys, and have a blessed day. In what we mameleni in the video, like I'm saying, have a blessed day. And yeah, guys, your girl is at a good space now. I've been praying about everything that has been going on, and now I feel much better. The Lord undivile, he has heard my prayers, because I was crying on him. I was crying to him that makandincede, and get over the pain and get over the stress, the thoughts that I had. So he is definitely helping me go through it. So yeah, I hope you're having a blessed day, and you you don't forget that God exists. Believe and pray. Don't forget to pray in whatever situation that you're facing. Even good time, pray. Thank the Lord. Thank him for protecting you. Thank him for making you wake up in this beautiful day. Yeah, guys, I don't want this vlog to be too long, because I've been vlogging and I don't know what is out at the, but yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying my vlogs, and I can see we are growing, and thank you so much, and welcome and welcome to all the new subscribers. I love you so much. Thank you for joining this family. It's nice. It's going to be nice. It's going to be late. It's everything life here. Yeah, I'm taking you through my journey of life, and feel free to enter my boat. Oh my god. Sorry. Feel free to enter my boat and ride with me in this life. I love you. Hello my loves, hello Sanazam. I hope you're all doing good. I just wanted to show you my hair, because I look so good. I look so very much good. And this braids, Sana, they are braiding like zintle. So I'm here to do outro, because kulisiko by spend intro, spend outro. You get it? So guys, So guys, I'm closing this vlog, and I'm grateful for your support, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you for joining this family. What else? Okay, so I did vlog me doing my hair, so you probably have seen that, and here's the outcome, and it looks so good, guys. Shaya braid Sana, and I love them so much. And yeah, guys, that's basically it with me and my life lately. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this vlog, and please comment down below which part did you enjoy, and what should I improve. like I'm open to that. Sorry. So please, guys, continue to support me, and don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like also, because it really helps. Thank you so much.
Baby, it's my time.